If you saw few of my video, by now you will know I'm obsessed with aloe vera. Why? That is because aloe vera, it does really do its job. It does work, at least for me and also for my beautiful twins. In this case, I'm just going to add some extra two ingredients, which is clove seed and also my homemade organic butter. If you haven't seen that video how I made my homemade butter, I'm going to link below down. So I'm just going to take out all my gel from my aloe vera and also clove seed. I put it hot water and my clove and left it over for like since morning to around 12, like 4 hours, or you can put it water, boiled water, and leave it overnight. That way it gets soft and also you get all the benefit, all the juice kind of really red. So like I said, check out how I made this butter if you haven't seen that video already. So I'm just going to put on boiled water and then melt it and add it together with my aloe vera gel and the clove. We just blend it. Make sure you use cotton cloth to straighten out that one because you don't want piece on your hair, and also especially in my case I'm going to use for my beautiful twins, and then we don't want that to be. So I just let it be like 10 minutes together to sit, and then I use mixer even to blend it together like this, and then I just used it. My partner called them plastic baby. Every Saturday you see me wrapping their hair like this. Their hair is really, I've been using this method since they are 8 months. They are 4 now. Their hair is really long, strong and shiny and beautiful. And in the meantime I just use my hair growth oil on them. It's really work good for them. The clove one, I personally like aloe vera one. In people for some reason purchase more clove one than aloe vera one. If you like this video, please don't forget to give the thumb up, subscribe to my channel so you're never going to miss any free tips like this coming from me. With that being said, please stay safe until next time and share this video with your friend and help more.